What is a DAPT? It stands for Domestic Asset Protection Trust, guys. This is one of the coolest tools that you've never heard of unless you've been working with some asset attorney out of Nevada who's trying to sell you a one-trick pony. But if you really want to build your assets, you really want to do something cool, you really might want to look at this as a true asset protection tool. It's called a Domestic Asset Protection Trust, and it's really famous in Nevada. They've got some of the best laws. A lot of people go there. It might be one of the things you want to kind of add into the arsenal, and it's usually pretty good because you can actually do this with an entity there, and that entity can be owned by another entity in Wyoming or an irrevocable trust in South Dakota. You start stacking these things. That's what they do. When they're talking about, these attorneys are talking about asset protection, this is what they're really talking about, right? They're talking about utilizing these legal things where people can't find your assets and then they can't sue it because it's out of your name. It's in your trust. It's in your irrevocable trust. Once you take it out of your name, you take this laptop that you own and you put it in the trust. Well, you don't own the laptop and the phone you still own, but if you take the phone and put it in the trust, that's an irrevocable trust. I don't own these anymore. And these trustees, these people that manage it now own and run this. And I may be a beneficiary or my wife or my kids, but it's out of my trust. It may be even out of my estate. These are all the tools that we're using to stack to help kind of benefit you, build and architect the life that you want, the life that you're dreaming of one day, so that you protect it from people that want to go and take it from you. So please, man, reach out to us. We got incredible teams of coaches, consultants, RIAs, M&A teams that all want to help you architect your future, your business, and the legacy that you want to leave.